Okay, my friend, in this video we're going to be looking at how the Arcis AI trading platform generates signals and how to get the most out of the platform. So Arcis AI full AI trading, and we're going to look at the signal strategies and the signal systems and how to identify the best trades actually take on the platform. So we have three styles. We have swing, day, and scalp. Swing trades, the platform will scan once a day on the USD Asian session overlap for new setups. For day trades, it will scan 3 times a day, once on the Asian session, once at the start of the European session, and once at the start of the US session. So 3 times a day. You never need to hit the scan button or the auto on, auto off up here. You just let the platform scan itself. It's all fully automated. And then for scalp, these are super short-term setups. They are scanning every single hour of the day. So right through. And then we have the Arcis weekly setups and Arcis daily setups. These setups are based on my own trading system that I've traded for 12 years. Swing trade method, which is my weekly swing trade setups. Every Sunday at 10 p.m. it will come up with 20 trade ideas. And you simply can download a Excel file and then you can simply put them into your trading platform. If you're on the elite membership, you can simply just select auto and all those trades will appear here. And they will be instantly copied to your MT5 platform. So the auto trader will be set up in the coming days. We're just doing some final updates on the platform, but that will be available in the coming days for elite members. And then we have the daily setups. So this is based on my own daily trade setups, trade system that I programmed the platform to learn and trade. And I'll show you how to do that in 1 minute. So every day at 6 a.m. GMT, it will auto-generate new trade setups for the trading day. These are the trades that I like to take because it's based on my own trading system. And you can download the Excel file for that also. So over here we have, if you want to teach the AI for pro and elite members, you can actually teach the AI how to trade your own trading system. You'll simply start to chat with it here, explain your entry rules, explain your stop loss, take profits, time frames you trade, indicators you use, and you can upload pictures of your entry setups, exit setups, and then it will actually learn and adapt to your trading system and program the platform to only send signals based on your own trading system. So this actually takes about 15 to 20 minutes to program. It will, depend on what you put in, it'll come up at the end of it with a preview of what it believes your trading system is. If it is correct, you simply just hit apply, and then the platform will only look for signals based on your own system. Up here we have the different strategies. So I select all, and when you have all selected, it actually scans all the different strategies, time frames, trends, and comes up with as many confluences as possible to give these kind of setups here. So it gives elite setups. So if we look at swing trade, so over here we go. We've got, you can trade all the signals here, or we've got 50% confluence, confidence score, 60% confidence score, 70% confidence score, and then above 80% custom confidence score. Setups that I like to use are above 80, and what I recommend are the elite. So when you see the star here, it says elite, all confluence is aligned, very high probability setups you want to be trading. So if you click on the card here, it actually gives you a breakdown of the actual setup. gives you the execution levels, which is just the entry level and the stop loss level. Gives you TP1, TP2 and TP3. So the way you want to work that there is at TP1 you take off 30% of the position, TP2 you take off another 30% of the position, and then at TP3 you take off, well, you just let it run till TP3. At TP1 you close 30% and move your stop loss to entry price. This is a high confidence score out of 100 that the euro CAD will be going down. If we look at the retail sentiment, this is the gauge that I like to look at also. So this is based across 15 to 20 different trading brokers online and liquidity providers that we plugged into the platform, and it scans where retail position is, and then it gives it a score out of 100. Preferably, if you see retail heavily screwed one side, like 60, 65%, 70% on one side, you want to be kind of doing the opposite of that, because the majority of retail traders lose money, so you want to be doing the opposite of what they're doing. Smart money is always positioned against retail sentiment, well, a high percentage of the time. So you want to kind of be doing the opposite of retail. So 54 to 46, that is not really a small margin, so I wouldn't pay any attention to that. It's preferably if it's over 65 or above. Currency strength, so this was just on Friday's close. You can see that the CAD is stronger than the euro. Fee score is a new volatility scanner that I've added. This is really good for intraday trading to spot reversals and continuation trades at support and resistance. The platform is scanning for overbought and oversold signals at levels. Gives it a score across all time frames. And what you will see during the week, you will see down here like continuation trade, reversal trade. Will actually give you a signal in that order, and it's tracking all the currency pairs, oil and gold and silver. So that's really a really good filter for your own day trading or using the day setups or the scalp setups. Down here, if you're swing trading, you can have a quick look at the macro dashboard. See just the fundamentals, which is COT positioning. It updates that every Friday evening when they are released. So that auto updates every Friday for the COT positioning in here. And just tells you where the smart money is on each currency pair. You run AI analyst if you want to get a quick breakdown of the actual trade setup here. So it gives you full confidence on why the signal is generated and the reasoning behind it. So it's not just giving you blind signals like other platforms or other signal services. It is fully, like I said, looking for as many confluences as possible and then giving you the highest probability setups. So preferably you only want to be trading the elite signals. You also have high, strong setup. If you want to look at a strong setup, you kind of just want to analyze the market a little bit yourself. See where retail sentiment is going also, which currency pair is stronger, and in intraday, the fee score. So if it's low, so kind of fee score, if it's under 200, that's kind of a bullish signal. If it's over 600, that's kind of a bearish signal. At the minute, this is 429, that is neutral. So we'll be looking for any signals with it. This kind of heats up intraday, so these scores will get bigger and smaller during the week when the markets are actually live. So next is the day setups. You can see we've got 9. So if you look at here, 60% plus. You can see 60% when you've got that strong, good confluence. This would maybe help you with your own trading analysis, your own trading systems. Again, just take the top setups. It's the best way to use the platform. elite setups every scan. So like the Euro, the Aussie USD. See the 1 hour, 4 hour, and USD is very strong compared to the Aussie. What we're looking to buy it here, so just be careful of that intraday. Now this strength was based on Friday's closed, so this will change on Monday most likely. It is a supply and demand setup here. Again, similar to the swing setups, TP1, TP2, TP3. Have a look at the euro. USD 1 hour. You can just see that the strength in the 1 hour chart is starting to flip in the favor of the euro USD. It's looking to enter on Friday. This would have been the last US session scan on Friday for daily setups. This was the entry here, 117, 140. Nearly got down to it, but not quite. Again, this would have been a Friday afternoon setup, so you wouldn't want to be really trading Friday afternoon, especially in the US session when the market's kind of liquidity dries up. But you'll see this change on Monday morning. Get another lead set up here. Again, similar story with the pound. The currency strength meter is starting to flip on the pound side on the lower time frame first. That usually leads up further. Looks like a similar trend there to the Euro USD. Another one, strong setup on British pound JPY. Last scan of Friday. What we can see here, this is a good indicator that we are likely to see the British pound Japanese yen sell off. Retail is heavily long this pair, so the smart money will likely be doing the opposite of what retail is doing. So that is to me, that would be a really good setup for me to take, just basically on that retail sentiment. And the entry level on that was 213,340. Again, this would have been the last scan on Friday, so I will wait till Monday for the first scan in the Asian session for this pair to see what actually happens. The next one are scalp setups. If we look at here, 80 plus. This was support and resistance break. This was the entry. So it looks like this bought on Friday at this entry level here, and it's an active trade. Similar story. Currency strength is reading across smaller time frames for the scalps. You can see that the Aussie dollar is stronger than the Swiss franc. Which was probably you can see it was pretty flat on Friday evening. Again, low liquidity on a Friday. I will be doing more videos daily when the markets are actually live, so you can actually see it in real time. Or you can just create your free account and try the pro trial via the link below in the video. So that is the signal system explained. I will be doing more videos on the platform daily, just explaining how it all works, the different kind of features. I will do another video tomorrow on the fee score, volatility score. Really, really good indicator. This is an indicator that I built for MT5 years ago, and I've programmed it into the platform. So that is the Arcis AI trading platform, the signal system breakdown. If you want to access the platform, you can create a free account, get a couple of free scans daily with a few setups, or you can try the Pro membership for a 14-day trial. Just click the link below in the description area. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if you've been running the platform, it'd be great to hear your feedback. See you in another video very soon. Well.